All right, we got another question, and this is, how can I start freelancing on social media? So, a lot of companies need this help. Everybody needs their social media managed. Every company, basically. Someone's doing it. Someone's working that into their typical digital marketing strategies, or they should be. I mean, if not, it's crazy, and maybe you can start that if they don't have that. And if they have that, maybe you can do a better job than the person or family member of the business that's probably handling it, right? And so, even more so on social media, you can start getting into ad buying and spending ad money on social media for clients. And I know that firsthand, this is something that almost every single business needs someone competent to be able to do ads like that. It's not something that normal people know how to do, and I wish they did, because I would have jobs for them for days. And if this is something that you do, let me know, and I can definitely get you work, because I mean, there's so many companies that would love to just give their money to someone to buy ads that doesn't try and do some crazy contract that we can rely on. So if this is you, awesome. If you want to get into a marketplace where people are actually just ready and willing to spend money on your talents and what you can do on social media and things like that, then I would definitely put my profile on Upwork or Fiverr, and make these things, these skills that you have, known to the people that are actually spending money for services like this. So if you want to put it on a Fiverr thing, just make a kind of like a almost like an online product of your offering. So, okay, I'm gonna devote 10 hours a week to your social media. I'm gonna handle your group, like your messages, maybe your chat bots, post updates, links, anybody replying, and all this stuff. Like, just list it all out and let it be absolutely known for everybody exactly what you do. And that's going to be super helpful for anyone that wants that service, especially ads. So if you can have kind of like specific offerings and get a bunch of them, you could launch those on Fiverr, and now you can also launch them on Upwork Product Catalog, because it actually does the same thing as Fiverr now. So just do that and start marketing it, because people are gonna see that and people are gonna want that. And like I said, I'm gonna be one of them. My friends are gonna be others. So that's how you start freelancing on social media, period. Thank you.